Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result. This is the FUE method, and we did the manual FUE on him. And with the manual FUE, I've been a specialist for FUE for almost 15 years. The manual FUE will give you the best, most healthiest roots and does give you the density. Again, it's not just the density, but you want the how natural the hairline too. Again, so thus hair transplant require both art and surgery. You need an artist and a surgeon to give you the most natural hairline. And look at that. And we fix the hairline and fill in the density. You see how natural the hairline. Right hand side, left hand side, top view, top view. And now that's just where he is now. And I can comb through for the arm to see. Good density. Very good result. And this is the FUE 2656 graft manual FUE. Thank you.